Getting students to start a writing project can be difficult. Students feel lost and often wonder how to get started. The teacher has to fight the struggling student even to get them to pay attention. Digital storytelling is a way to grab the 21st century learner's attention and motivate them to use the writing process to complete a product. According to Kristen R. Redman, digital storytelling responds to the kinesthetic, auditory, and visual learning styles. Digital storytelling addresses the new Kentucky Core Content Standards, shared across the curriculum dealing with reading and writing. The shared reading standards for digital storytelling will address an evaluation of text in diverse formats and how to analyze and comprehend text. Some reading standards that digital storytelling can address are CCR 7, integrate and evaluate content presented in diverse formats and media, including visual and qualitatively as well as in words. CCR 9, analyze how two or more texts address similar themes or topics in order to build knowledge or to compare the approaches the author takes. And CCR 10, read and comprehend complex literary and informational text independently and proficiently. The shared writing standards for digital storytelling will address the writing process and the creation of narratives with an authentic purpose. Some writing standards that digital storytelling can address are CCR 3, write narratives to develop real or imagined experiences or events using effective techniques, well-chosen details, and well-structured event sequence. CCR 5, develop and strengthen writing as needed by planning, revising, editing, rewriting, or trying a new approach. CCR 6, use technology including the Internet to produce and publish writing and to interact and collaborate with others. CCR 7, conduct short as well as more sustained research projects based on focused questions, demonstrate understanding of the subject under investigation. And CCR 8, gather relevant information from multiple print and digital sources, assess the credibility and accuracy of each source, and integrate the information while avoiding plagiarism. Also, digital storytelling will help teachers meet the American Association of School Librarian standards. For example, develop and refine a range of questions to frame the search for new understanding. Make a sense of information gathered from diverse sources by identifying misconceptions, main and supporting details, conflicting information, and point of view or bias. Demonstrate creativity by using multiple resources and formats. Use the writing process, media and visual literacy, and technology skills to create products that express new understandings. Use writing and speaking skills to communicate new understandings effectively, and create products that apply to authentic real-world context. These standards work hand in hand with the writing, speaking, and listening and reading standards that teachers have to address across the curriculum. Digital storytelling addresses the 5 levels of Karwal's domain objectives: characterization by visual set, organization, valuing, responding, and receiving. Also, digital storytelling addresses the 6 levels of Bloom's taxonomy: evaluation, synthesis, analysis, application, comprehension, and knowledge. Being able to address the reading and writing standards as well as the taxonomies will help teachers meet the professional growth standards that must be addressed in the classroom. There are many different web applications that are helpful with digital storytelling. Some examples are MindMo, Web Video, Spicy Notes, and Powtoon. This video will focus on Spicy Notes. Spicy Notes is a hands-on web application that students will love. It incorporates technology in a way that will engage students. Kristen R. Redman states that research concludes that high-end youth interaction with technology can motivate young writers to simply begin a story. The following is a simulation of how spicy notes can be used in a freshman English classroom for personal narrative. Let's follow a student as they go through the process. First, the student needs to create an account. Students can use their school email address for the creation of the account. Second, students will click on Create a new Nodes map. Then students will enter a title and description. Next, students will choose a style they like and click and save. Then, students will click on Edit Content. Here is where students will use the Spicy Notes website to brainstorm their topic, inserting pictures, video, and music. Teachers can use Spicy Notes as a brainstorming activity, a way to catch the students' attention, or as a final visual project to be presented to class. Before you begin with students, try it yourself. Dive in, experiment, and just have fun creating a visual, audio, and fun digital story. The more you work with this web application, the more comfortable you will become with it, and the more you will be able to help students as they work through Spicy Notes web application to create a fun and interesting digital story.